Greetings, space cadets. Buckle up for a cosmic adventure with Cosmo, the clumsiest comet in the Milky Way. Today, Cosmo has a big problem. His tail, the most magnificent dust trail in the galaxy, is missing. Cosmo the comet was known for his dazzling tail. It shimmered with every color imaginable, a trail of sparkling dust that stretched across the night sky. But one morning, as Cosmo yawned so big it shook the constellations, he noticed something dreadful. His tail was... Panic swirled through Cosmo's core. Comets don't have hearts, but they do have cores. Where could his magnificent tail have gone? Cosmo zipped and zagged through the asteroid belt, asking everyone he met. "Have you seen my tail?" he sputtered to a grumpy group of space rocks. They just grumbled back, "Nope." Cosmo then zoomed past a mischievous group of comets known as the tail swappers. "Did you borrow my tail for a prank?" he asked nervously. The tail swappers burst into laughter. "Nope, little Cosmo. Your tail is gone, gone, gone." They taunted before disappearing in a puff of green smoke. Feeling defeated, Cosmo considered giving up, but then he saw a tiny, shimmering object floating near a cloud of stardust. It was a baby shooting star, lost and crying. "What's wrong, little one?" Cosmo asked gently. The baby star sniffled. "I got lost chasing your amazing tail," she cried, "and now I can't find my way back home." A light bulb, or rather, a comet core spark, went off in Cosmo's head. His missing tail wasn't a disaster, it was a clue. Cosmo remembered zooming past a cluster of nebulae the day before. He quickly followed the baby star's tearful directions. There, amidst the swirling colors of the nebulae, was his magnificent tail, tangled up in the stardust clouds. Carefully, Cosmo untangled his tail, the baby star giggling with delight at the sparkling dust. He then used his leftover comet dust to create a small, bright trail for the baby star to follow home. By the time he finished, the nebulae were filled with a beautiful display of twinkling lights, Cosmo's tail and the baby star's new path. Back in the vast darkness of space, Cosmo's tail might not have been as long as before, but it shone brighter than ever. And more importantly, Cosmo learned a valuable lesson. Sometimes helping others leads to unexpected discoveries, even if it means your own things might change a little bit. We learned today that even when things seem lost, there's always a chance to find them again, especially when you help others along the way. So next time you see someone lost or in need, remember, a little kindness can go a long way in the vast universe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more space escapades with Cosmo and his friends.